In the current times, our lives are busier than ever. But amidst the rush, we often forget the importance of safety on the roads. Distracted driving, a silent killer, claims lives and shatters families every day. In this video, we delve into the unknown dangers of distracted driving and explore solutions that can save lives. One of the most common forms of distraction is texting while driving. Did you know that sending a text takes your eyes off the road for an average of 5 seconds? At 65 kilometers per hour, that's like driving the length of a football field blindfolded. But it's not just texting, eating, adjusting in-car technologies, and even applying makeup divert our attention. These seemingly harmless activities can lead to devastating consequences. So, what can we do to combat this menace? For individuals, the solution lies in awareness and mindfulness. Put away your phone, finish your meal before hitting the road, and set your car's settings before driving. It's about making a conscious choice to focus on the road, not the distractions. For businesses, investing in comprehensive safety training is crucial. Educate your employees about the dangers of distracted driving. Implement strict policies against phone usage and other distractions while driving on the job. Safety isn't just a priority, it's a responsibility. Encourage the use of hands-free devices for calls if necessary. And remember, if you must use your phone, pull over to a safe spot. Your life and the lives of others on the road are far too valuable to risk. Let's make our roads safer, one responsible choice at a time. Together, we can eliminate distracted driving and ensure that everyone reaches their destination safely. Stay focused, stay aware, and let's drive towards a safer future. For more information on safe driving practices and comprehensive safety training, visit our website and follow us on social media. Remember, your safety is our priority.